chapter 3. The chapter 3 is this chapter details the research, designs, data collections, and methods, and data analysis techniques and employments. So number 1 is research design. Types of research. Specific whether research will be quantitative and quantitative or mixed methods. Clearly details the restrictions behind this choice. Number 2 is research approach. Further specify the approach. Experimental, collaborational, descriptive, ethnographic, and grounded theory. Number 3 is research approach. Further especially the approach. Example of this is the collectional, descriptive, ethnographic, grounded theory. Explain the strength and the limitation of research. Overall strategy. Briefly summarize the overall plan of conducting the research. The number 2 is sampling strategy. There are 5 categories. Number 1 is a target population. Define a specific population the research aims at study. Number 2 is sampling frame. Describe how the population will be increases. Number 3 is sampling frame. And the sampling method, specify the sampling method used. Example, this is a random sampling, sensitive sampling, purposive sampling. Justify the choice of sampling method based on their stability for the research. Number 4 is sample size. State the planet samples to provide rationale for the consideration power. And the number 5 is recruitment process. Outline of the stage involved in the recruiting participants, including the incentive offered. The number 3 is the data collection methods. There are 3 focus of the data. Number 1 is the method justification. Explain why the selected methods are appropriate for collecting. And the number 2 is specific methods. Clearly describe each method use. Document analysis existing these assets for each methods. The number 4 is details. Provide specific details about the method, including the type of instrument used. So number 4 is pilot testing. Mention if how to pilot testing will be conducted. Clarify the data collection instruments. So number 4 is the data analysis. There are 3 credits of this. Example is number 1 is the data preparation. Describe how the data will be prepared for analysis. Example is the data of this is your preparation of this, kung will you get the data. And number 2 is analysis techniques. Specific the statistical or quantitative analysis techniques that will be used. So this is the data that you will do, how to techniques the analysis of your doing. Example of your subject. Number 4 is software. Mention the software that will be used to data analysis. So example of this is where you are doing the analysis. The example is the software, the Google, the research, WPS. And the number 5 is the instrumental and tools. Description. Describe each instrument for tool used to the data collection, including its source and relative reliability, validity information. So number 6 is ethical consideration. Ethical consideration is state whether ethical approval has been obtained on his pending. So number 2 is informed consent. Explain how informed consent will be obtained from participants. Example of this is you have a participants of 30. So how they inform you that is feedback. So number 3 is data security. Explain how the data will be secured or the secured. So this is example is the Privacy Act of the data that will give you if you have an ask for a question to somebody. So a potential risk and mitigation is identify any potential risks for the participant and how those how those participants risks will be minimized or addresses. So example is your subject is all about social studies. They address the conflict of the social studies in history is all about in the past. So the conflict of the participants that you ask is easy to you. So number 6 is the tips of writing of strong mythology chapter. So clarity of conception is write clearly and consider using precise language and avoiding jargon. So number 2 is logical flow. Organize a chapter logically, ensuring the smooth transmission between sections. Number 3 is detailed description. Provide enough enough detail to allow the research to precipitate the study. Justification is clarify, specify all all logical, ensuring the smooth transformation between sections and detailed description provide enough detail to allow other researchers to replicate the study. Justification clearly justify all methodological shows. And number 1 is alignment. Ensure the methodology aligns with the research question and objectives. So this is the alignment all about of your flow of your logical function to align of your data. By following this expanded outline and exploring the tips provided, research can be create a comprehensive and well-structured methodology chapter that enhance and the stability of rigor of the research proposal. That's all and thank you.